Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make header transparent on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for shopify.com, and sign in your account. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Online Store and select Themes, okay? But before we start, as you can see, that my header is color blue, or I don't know what color is this, indigo. So this color, okay? So now to make it transparent, click on these three little dots right here. Click on edit code. Okay? So now what you need to do is to search for header here. So you want to select this header.liquid section right here. So now select this text box or the code section. Put a two spaces. Now copy the code. So I'm going to put this on the description box. Okay. So paste it right here. Then as you can see, the code is on 1 to 11. Okay. Now don't forget to click on the save button right here. So now the asset is now saved. So what we need to do is to refresh my website, and as you can see that my header is now transparent. Okay? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.